Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you Optimism. There's a new airdrop coming. I can really kind of confirm this. I will tell you why I think Optimism is doing the second airdrop very soon. What are my sources to say that there's a lot of tokens coming up here soon, and what do you need to do in order to get this new Optimism airdrop, which is actually very similar of what Arbitrum wanted to do with Odyssey. Well, with Optimism is still there. So what you need to do is the Optimism Guest, where you are going to learn about the ecosystem and actually complete some quests in order to get NFTs that you are going to get for each of them in order to be eligible to get the airdrop in the next future. I'm going to explain you everything like always, super clear so you understand. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification, and if you want to earn like $10,000 or $20,000 in airdrops, let's go to the video. Guys, again, with Optimism, once again, this is a rank position 193. The token is already in the market at 71 cents. The all-time high, like you can see, was $2.20. So an airdrop of this project is actually a very good news. But I really respect Optimism project. Of course, I have been using it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you this new airdrop. I'm also going to say which are my sources here in order to believe that probably this airdrop is coming in February of 2023 and exactly what you need to do for this Optimism Quests. So if you want to know how much money you can make, see the video until the end. Right now, let's start for the beginning. Like you can see in the official documentation on Optimism, you always are going to see that says airdrop 1. Airdrop 1 here, airdrop 1 here, everybody says airdrop 1. If there will only be one airdrop, it will not put the number 1. So we know that we are going to have more airdrops on Optimism. Actually, that is not any secret. They have been told this from the beginning. There are going to be a series of airdrops. We don't know how many of them, but the first airdrop already happened in May, June. And like you can see, the total of addresses were 248,000 addresses that get the airdrop. I know people, guys, that make $20,000, $30,000 with these airdrops, and I explain how to do all these tasks for Arbitrum. So if you want to see that in my videos, go to my webpage here on YouTube, search for the word Arbitrum, and you are going to see how to do all this. For example, to be an Optimism user, you need to use the applications and bridge Ethereum into the network. To be a repeat Optimism user, you need to use the network a lot. So like I mentioned in my videos, I recommend to do one transaction each 2 days. And then to be a DAO voter, to be a multi-sign signer, Gitcoin donor, and use Ethereum, you can check here on my videos. How to be a DAO voter, how to get the NFTs, this is for Arbitrum only, how to be a Gitcoin donation, a Bitcoin donor there, how to use Nova, this is only for Arbitrum here, how to multi-sign your wallet, all those things that you see here that are going to boost your rewards of Optimism, you can see in those videos that I already did for Arbitrum. It's the same because I based those videos in this. So I will put this link on the description also. And even if the new airdrop is not exactly related to this, for sure, guys, I think and I recommend you to do all these tasks. Even if we have the quest here for the new airdrop, I think you will be able again to boost your rewards if you do all this stuff. In the airdrop number 1, you can see if you did 4 of those, you will get 4,000 tokens more. If you did 5 of these categories, you will get 13,000 more. And if you did all of that, you will get 20,000. And this at the peak was $2.02. So you may get more than $50,000 on the airdrop 1 if you did all that, guys. And not many people did all that. You can see here there was only 45 addresses from a total of 2,000, 50,000. So guys, the people is lazy, don't be one of those. Get these airdrops, thousands of dollars, really free and easy to do. So in order to do all that, again, check my videos here, search for Arbitrum, and you will see able to see all that. Now, the specific things that you need to do for the airdrop number 2 are called Optimism Quests. And I'm going to put the link of the description, but basically it's the same that Arbitrum did for galxe. You need to go to galxe in Optimism, and you are going to get an NFT for each of the quests that you make. So for start this, you need to go to the application of Optimism, app.optimism.io/quests, and you are going to be pop up to this page. There are 18 in totals, and each of them is going to give you an NFT. Of course, you need to first connect your wallet to Optimism, and you need to bridge Ethereum to Optimism. In order to do that, you go to app.optimism.io/bridge. So you connect your Ethereum mainnet here, and you move Ethereum into the Optimism. You connect here and move Ethereum here. So once that you got that, again, you come back here for the guest, and let's check some of them. I am not going to go step by step in all of them because they are really easy to do and understand. But if you have any question, put it in the comments. I always read the comments and will specifically answer all your questions. So the first guess that you need to do, you click here, is bridge to Optimism. So what you have here is, first you need to learn and read this, because when you click here, start the quiz, it's going to make you 1 or 2 questions about this paragraph or whatever is here to learn. So once you pass that, you need to complete the quest, which is bridge more than 100 USDC to or from Optimism to Stargate Finance. So if you need help, you can visit this link. So click the link and you can see here how to do it if you don't understand how. Once you do that, you come back here and click get NFT. And there you are going to be sent to galxe.com, Optimism. Here you can see if you are already eligible for any of the NFTs here. So if you already did the quest, then you can click here verify, and this will update. You can see here the frequency. This is a manually update by the curator. The last update was 30 minutes ago in my case, so I will need to wait, and you will see able here if you are eligible or not to get the NFT. So this is very easy to understand too. So for example, if we check another one on Uniswap here, you need to learn what says here. You need to start the quiz and answer this question. What is Uniswap? Is a decentralized exchange. Next question. What can you do on Uniswap? Swap tokens, contribute to token liquidity pools and fees. View analytics overview, all above. Done. You can see this is complete. Then you need to swap equal or more than $20 equivalent worth of tokens on Uniswap on at least 2 swaps. If you already did that, you can click here on get the NFT. You will be again pumped to galxe.com, and here you click verify. This was manually updating. Again, now you need to wait until you get here the NFT. That is pretty much what you need to do, guys. These ones are more easy, and other ones you may need to put more money. I think that is an impediment that many people maybe is not going to do it. Some of them you need to buy NFTs, some of them you need to put liquidity into a liquidity pool, and sometimes it's a little more expensive and you need to leave it there for weeks even. So I don't think to get the 18 NFTs is that easy. The first ones are more easy and each time is more difficult. But hey, what do you know, guys? If you make the 18 NFTs, you probably are going to get this airdrop. And why I am so confident that we are going to have the airdrop? Well, there's official information moving around that there's a 14% of the total supply of OP tokens that has been allocated for future user airdrops. Airdrop 2 and 3 says here. In another comments, another people noted again the same, 14% of Optimism is still ready to be airdropped. We don't know how many airdrops they are going to do, but like I mentioned here, this was the airdrop number 1. So we are expecting more airdrops. Arbitrum probably did the Galxe Odyssey also to get more people for the airdrop. But Optimism right now, this is the only thing that they have from the end of September. And you can do this until January of 2023. So you still have time. So you have time to do this. I will recommend you to start doing it now, because many of the things you need to allocate it for some period of time. But besides that, guys, there are many rumors and information floating around that this could be probably for the second airdrop. How much you can earn with these airdrops. So the total supply is 4,294,000,000. The 14% of that is 600 million tokens. In the first airdrop, applied 250,000 wallets. So for the second airdrop, this Galxe Quest, I think, and this is of course my speculation, you can add 100 more wallets, 100k more wallets that it was the airdrop 1, because now people is more paying attention more to this. And let's say that we don't have the 14%, we have half of that because they plan to do an airdrop number 3. I don't think there's going to be more than 3 airdrops. This is not usually how this works, because should be significant for the users. So let's say there are 3 airdrops in total. So let's say that they use a 7%. 7%, it will be 300 million tokens. So if you divide 300 million for 350 wallets, that will give you, dividing that, an equal number of 858 tokens per wallet. At the value of current price of 71 cents, that will be $600 per wallet. But that is super general, guys, because like I said, and you know, not everybody will get the same amount. So if you do this stuff, these categories, and you get this boost, you can see there are only a couple of wallets that apply here from the total. Most of the people only is using the platform. They are not DAO voters, multi-signers, Git donors. This is very specific, and even repeated user, you can see that only 19,000 was repeated user from a total of 248,000 wallets. So again, I don't think it's going to be equal for each address. And let's be honest, you probably are going to create more than one wallet. Even doing the basic stuff, you can get $609, like super low number. This is speculative, but it's really low. I think actually this amount of wallets is not near the real thing. So guys, I think you have a lot of opportunities to again make $20,000 easily on this airdrop. Getting the 18 NFTs, completing all the tasks here for the what was for the airdrop number 1, forget all this boost. I think you have very big possibilities, and this price 71 cents is right now here in the bear market, guys. The all-time high was $2.20. So if you hold this for the next bull run even, you are going to be making maybe $100,000 on this. So guys, this is the video for the Optimism airdrop number 2. There are more rumors about this being the airdrop, and I really think that it makes sense for Optimism to have it completing this Galxe Quest. So pay attention to this, try to do it as soon as possible, and please show your love in this video, clicking the like button, clicking the subscribe button, and check my other videos for Arbitrum, Optimism, and Seek I Think. I am making videos about airdrops all the weeks, so please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.